What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add a featured image or the image thumbnail into our RSS feeds. So imagine that you are sharing your RSS feed for a podcast, for a blog posts, on your MailChimp for example, but the post goes without the thumbnail, the main image of the post. How to apply this for free without coding is what I'm gonna learn into this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because I bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to use internet on a site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is navigate your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over plugins, and click on Add New Plugin. Into the upper right corner of our screen, next to the keyword, you're gonna find a field called Search Plugins, and right here we're gonna type featured image in RSS for MailChimp and more. This is the guy that we're looking for by 5-star plugin. So click on Install Now, click into the Activate button. That is gonna redirect you to the welcome page of the plugin. You can allow the plugin to collect data and miss updates or not, it's up to you, okay? Now we have a basic settings menu. You're going to be redirected to this, and if you review once again the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard, next to the settings you're going to be able to find a new field, a new menu called featured image in RSS. And this is a very basic panel, okay? It's easy to use, but you can customize a couple of things, okay? First of all, RSS image size. I always recommend you choose the thumbnail because of the size that makes it easier to download for RSS feeds aggregators, okay? So I recommend you keep this one. Now the RSS image alignment: left above text, centered above text, left text wrapper, or right text wraps. So it's up to you, okay? And now RSS image to text padding, okay? You can apply a couple of pixels, okay, in the case that you need. And clickable image, select this, enable linked images to post. This is very important, okay? Mark this option. After this, hit the save change, and your RSS feeds are now with thumbnails. Easy, simple, and free. Let me know into the comments if you like this guide, if you tested, if it works for you or not. Let me know so I can help you. And don't forget to check out our borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site. Or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, all for free. And in the case that you want to go premium, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, with your premium blogs, templates, assets, widgets, support, themes, plugins, and many more pro features to create the site of your dreams. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!